This was a complete backyard renovation in Commack, New York. Starting with the installation of a brand new vinyl pool that was built with the concrete walls and also equipped with an auto cover, with the stadium stairs in the shallow area. Clients want a double safety feature. They also installed a fence around the pool, black aluminum fencing, and the pool also has an auto cover. The patio and coping, we used G41 marble pavers, select from the Gappsi natural stone collection. We also built a retaining wall, the colonial wall in graphite pearl, manufactured by Nicolak. We did the landscaping over the wall and installed a white PVC fence throughout the backyard. The remaining of the yard, we installed all new synthetic turf. It's a very special synthetic turf, very realistic. It's exclusive to Gappsi. We import this turf from Italy. Every corner of the backyard was completely paved with synthetic turf, making this backyard all maintenance-free backyard. The only thing the customer would have to add is flowers. No need to cut the grass. No need to have lawnmowers coming in the backyard unexpectedly while the homeowners are using the pool. Synthetic turf is also a great feature for the kids to play. Never gets muddy. It's pet friendly. And maintenance free forever.